If you know 𝗂𝘁's work, you know our unparalleled excellence in renovating our clients' properties to give them their forever home. But if you know 𝗂𝘁's people, you know our renovated home is just the end result. With 𝗂𝘁 as your guide on the journey to your forever home, you are guaranteed an experience that other contractors can't, won't, and don't provide. You won't wait days wondering if we'll return your call. Our dedicated office staff calls you back within one business day. You're also connected with a project consultant to walk you through the entire process, starting with virtual estimates. Does our dedication to your experience sound too good to be true? It's not. Just look at our 200 local, clickable, verifiable 5-star reviews and over 300 YouTube videos educating you and other homeowners on the home renovation topics. Don't let your experience with other contractors keep you from contacting 𝗂𝘁. As soon as you connect with 𝗂𝘁, you'll know that we're your trusted guide to take you to your forever home. Call 484-748-7700 for a wonderful journey, ending with your forever home.